Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you why your Wi-Fi is not working on VIVO X200. So first, go into the quick settings by scrolling from the top, and once again, now go into the Wi-Fi by clicking and holding and more Wi-Fi settings. First, click on your Wi-Fi and disconnect, then forget. Now select your Wi-Fi once again. I think this was it. Type in the password and wait for it to connect. It is connected. Now if it's still not working, then try to just disable and enable the Wi-Fi. If you still have problem, then restart your router and phone. I don't have access to the router, so I can't show you how to restart it, but I think you can find the video of how to do it on our channel. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.